Guess who's back in the house? It's Samantha here with Samantha Rates the Recipe, and today we're doing something super simple, but it's cute, and I feel like it'll be great for springtime and or Mother's Day, which is in a couple of weeks, guys. So I was watching The Pioneer Woman, as I always do, and remade a Clementine Funfetti cake. So it is super simple. You're gonna make the cake basically to instructions, with the exception of you're gonna be adding a little fresh squeezed orange juice, squeezed by me, and a little orange zest, right? So what we're gonna do, boom, I have my packet of Funfetti cake mix here. We're gonna just drop it in the bowl. And can I just give you a guilty pleasure? I love Funfetti cake mix like a child, right? Like a child. So I'm gonna come in. I always do these like dump cakes, really. I don't be like taking my time putting it all in, right? So that's a cup of water. This is a half a cup of oil. And then for 2 quick seconds, I'm gonna pause it so the eggs don't get all over my life. But 3 eggs. Or if you, this way you crack the eggs off camera. But, boom. Don't worry, no shells, friends, no shells. And what I was gonna say, lost my whole train of thought, okay? Boom. All right, so now we have pretty much everything in there, and we're gonna pour about 1/4 of this. It's a half a cup of orange juice, and we're gonna pour in about 1/4 of that in here. And then we're gonna come in with our orange zest, and that's gonna brighten it up and make it like fancy. And that's that, right? It's mixed up already. Y'all know how these cake mixes go fast, okay? This is what you make with your children real quick. But your children ain't putting no orange zest, you hear me? But Ree put the orange zest. And so now, it done got fancy on. So we're gonna put this, and by put, I mean pour, our cake mix into our prepared dishes. And we're gonna bake them for 30 to 40 minutes. 30-40 minutes in a 350-degree oven, like the box says. Okay guys, so now we're on to the frosting. So basically what she has is 3 sticks of butter and 6 cups of powdered sugar and some of that reserved orange juice to help it get a little juicy and come together a little bit better. And then also some of that reserved orange zest. Now I will say that she added food coloring, but I don't think that I am going to do that. Okay, so you can see that our frosting is nice and fluffy. Yes, Lord. Come on now. You can see also those flecks of orange zest in there as well. So we're gonna see what it do when it comes to frosting this cake. Bear with me, give me 1 second. All right, so our cakes have cooled down. They're ready to go. Now, I was trying to decide if I was going to cut them in half and make 4 layers, but alas, I am not. I'm going to just begin. So boom, a nice healthy dollop in the center, and then I'm gonna just go back and forth like they say on all the bake shows, and it's working out. It's working out. It's coming to the edge. And then we're gonna take this guy and set him right there. Oh, this is the first time we've had a food be a he. All of my food is usually, we're gonna put her, sit her, she tastes like this. This is a boy cake. How exciting. Another dollop right on top of his head. A big one. I'm gonna do the same thing, but I feel like also Let me just get a little bit and kind of like close that center up. So now we're gonna just kind of try to spread the frosting all around. Okay, so I decided to try to leave it like a little naked on the side and make it kind of rusticy. And then I'm gonna build it up with a few strawberries because I like them, and oranges because it's orange. Duh. So, okay, that's where that orange wanted to go. I guess that's how that is. And just, you know, place them how you can do it. However you decide, that's how it'll be. Oh. Ta-da! Let me get a cake thing so we can taste it real quick. Okay, so our little cake is a little leaning tower of Pisa. But that's all right. We're gonna cut her into her anyhow. Come on up, little slice. Aw, nice and fluffy like a box cake should be. Now, does she taste? Look, let me just plate her. Aw, aw. And let's see what's going on with this backwardsness. It tastes like an orange. Okay. Okay. This is cute. I give this a 3.5. I really like it. It was really easy. Obviously, it's a box cake, right? The most time consuming thing was making the frosting, which obviously didn't take no time. So I give this a 3.5 for the taste, and I give it a 4 for the ease of recipe. Really, a 5. This wasn't nothing. Maybe if you don't have a zester, then it'll be difficult getting a, you know, an orange zest or whatever. But this was a super cute thing to do. So if you want to do something at home, I know people usually take their moms out to restaurants and all of that kind of stuff for Mother's Day, and it's COVID and all of that kind of stuff. So maybe you don't feel comfortable. This is a cute thing to do for mom right at home. Tastes good. I give it a 3.5. Now, my friends, have you subscribed to Samantha Rates the Recipe? If you have not, then first of all, I'm judging you. Second of all, do it now. It's not too late. What the pastor say? Won't you come? Won't you come? Push the button. Won't you come? And subscribe to our channel. Make sure that you're liking and sharing our videos. And until next time, we'll see y'all next time. Later.